Good afternoon. Hi, guys. So it's an intimate crowd, but doesn't matter. I'm here to also share about Bybit Card. So if you're not familiar with Bybit, we're actually the second biggest exchange globally. And then today, the product that we want to spotlight is Bybit Card. So let me just give a brief introduction about myself. I've been doing product marketing with Bybit for about 3 years now. And I have to be completely honest that Bybit Card is one of the most challenging product that I've had to do to market, simply because it's not a trading product. It's a product that is, relevant for your day-to-day use. Everyone has a lot of comments about what kind of rewards you might have to receive, and I can safely say that Bybit Card is one of the best crypto cards out there in the market right now, and I'll share with you why. So, just a quick show of hands: does anyone here own a crypto card at the moment? Oh, great. Okay, that's about 10%. So can someone shout out what crypto card you own right now? Crypto.com? Okay, so I personally own Crypto.com as well, and I stopped using it. And the learnings from all of these OG crypto cards are the reason why we have Bybit Card today. So you'll see how there are benefits here that will resonate with what you need in a crypto card. And let's just get started. So Bybit Card has launched for about 1.5 years now. There has been an impressive growth. So if you can see here, we have over 800,000 users just in a span of 1.5 years. And we're looking at $500 million in transaction volume with users globally. So in Australia specifically, we've launched for about half a year now, and the numbers keep on growing. Just in last quarter, we've launched 3 different markets globally, and the number of users just expanded and doubled within just a short period of time. So something to note here is that we've always been looking into how we can improve our rewards to make it more relevant for our users and for your day-to-day spending. The idea here is that we want to make sure that off-ramping crypto for you is as seamless, as rewarding as possible. So these are the 2 key things that you will have to focus on: seamlessness and rewards. So with Bybit Card, let's just go into the fundamentals. With Bybit Card, you can use your crypto or fiat to pay anytime, anywhere. We're a MasterCard, which means that anywhere that MasterCard supports, you can use Bybit Card, which is international, is global now. So there are 8 different crypto tokens that you can use for your payments: USDT, USDC, BTC, ETH, Mental, Ton, Ripple. So some of these are the examples that you would see on your Bybit Card interface. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'll just go through in a little bit. The main thing here is that it's super easy for you to get a Bybit Card as long as you're an Australian resident. If you're not, if you're an international traveler, just come by to our booth later on, and then I'll show you how you can get a Bybit Card. With the virtual cards, as long as you're a Bybit user, you can get it issued less than a minute. It's really quick. So that's the virtual card. And for physical cards, we would issue it to you for free. So there's no additional cost on your end. There are no fees to apply. There are no maintenance fees. There's no need for you to be staking a token in order for you to get rewards. That's something that we will need to note for Crypto.com. None of that. And the rewards are available for you even as a regular user. So we don't discriminate. Everyone gets rewards. So the other thing is on USDT savings. So if you look at the one in the middle, this is actually an outdated point because with the market pumping, there is an increase in savings rate right now. So up to 400% is an exclusive offer for new card holders. If you're a new Bybit card holder, you get access to a USDT savings product that gives you 400% in APR. If you're already a Bybit Card user, if you look at our USDT savings on Bybit app itself, under Bybit savings, there's actually like 50% yesterday, and then I think I checked this morning, it's about 30%, which is the highest that I've seen in my entire career with Bybit. The only reason why this is happening is because of how hot or how volatile the market is right now. So personally, I wouldn't miss out on this, but this is a side topic. What I wanted to emphasize here is that with Bybit Card, you can put your money in and you can still save and get interest rates on it. So this is the other part of the rewards that I wanted to emphasize. The other thing that is really cool is crypto cashback. Crypto cashback, so with Crypto.com example, you only get CRO. They are only limited to CRO as your cashback token. So what happens if CRO is going here and not going here? You lose everything. What we offer here is crypto cashback in USDT, BTC, and ETH. So BTC and ETH was actually a new addition that we did maybe about a month ago. And I can safely say that those users who opt in for Bitcoin as their crypto cashback 3 weeks ago, today when they spend, 3 weeks ago when they spend, and 3 weeks today, they would have already made the money because their cashback value has increased simply because the market is going up. So this is a side value that is available for all users. All traders can opt in to choose whether they want to have Bitcoin or Ethereum as a cashback. If not, your default is just USDT, which is as stable as it is. And then the last one is, as I mentioned, so compatible with Apple Pay and Google Pay. All of these would ensure that you have a seamless experience when you're using Bybit Card in your day-to-day. So rewards. Rewards is something that I personally would vouch for that is the best. If there's a reward here that is not aligned with you, it's not something that you need, and you think that there is something else that you would want, please come and find me personally, because I'll make sure that we try and get it up. The reason is because I believe that whenever you're using Bybit Card for your day-to-day spending, there should always be something that you get back that is competitive in the market, because we want to be the best. This also applies to all of the other Bybit products that we work on, not just for card. So when we look at the rewards, it's always upsized right now. So the highlight here is free Netflix, free Spotify, free ChatGPT, free TradingView, and what's the last one? Oh, Amazon Prime. So you can see that there is a blend of lifestyle and trading tools that are available for all of our users, because we are in that nice sweet spot where it's retail, where it's like mainstream users, and then there's the other side that is crypto traders. So we want to make sure that it covers both ends. This reward is applicable for all VIP users on Bybit. So if you're not sure how to become a Bybit VIP, just reach out to me, and then we'll get that sorted. The other things that we have on the right side of the slides are some of the seasonal campaigns that you would see with us. So the one that is upcoming is Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I don't think you would see most traditional exchanges, crypto exchanges, sharing with you a benefit to get you to use their product on Black Friday, because it's so mainstream. But that's not the case for Bybit Card. Bybit Card, we offer to you additional 5% cashback for the entire Black Friday weekend. There is no registration required. All you have to do is sign up for card, and then you'll be able to get the 5% cashback. So it's as simple as it is. We missed out on the 11/11, which is like a double rewards, double fun thing. But that day itself, we doubled the cashback for you. So again, a lot of rewards. I can't emphasize this enough, but what we want to do here is to make sure that you're always getting something in return when you spend a Bybit Card. So some cool stuff. Just because we are an exchange, we are not boring. We try to always be creative in everything that we do. If you don't like your current card design, that's okay. We can make it cool and exciting for you, and you can always choose what kind of designs that you want. So let me just share a little bit about how these 3 sets of designs came about. The first one is actually our 5th anniversary celebration. So if you're familiar with your 16 personality, whether you're an INTJ, ESFJ, or whatever that is, you do a quiz on our platform, you get a dedicated card design that is meant for you. So it resonates with your personality. And people like that. So it's an opt-in, it's not compulsory. If you like the design, you can go for it. The second one in the middle is if you're familiar with Hamster, the game, if anyone here is familiar. So it's a really hot token that was that everyone was looking forward to about 2 months back. So what we did here is that we collaborated with the project, and then we launched a very cute Hamster virtual card that really took their community by storm. So everyone was asking us, oh, how can I get my hands on this? Do I have to be a Bybit user? So Bybit Card has effectively been the driver for us to reach new users, non-crypto traders, and just those with different interests. So that's the thing that we have been doing well in. And the last one is something that's called BBso. So BBso is Bybit's native token that is based on the Solana chain. So when Solana price goes up, BBso's price will also go up. BBso was invented by Bybit to celebrate our 6-year anniversary, which is happening right now. So if you go onto bybit.com on your mobile phone or your app or your web, you can see that there's a bunch of celebration stuff because we're celebrating our 6-year anniversary. And then this is the native token that we are pushing forward with. And because we are part of Bybit, we have Bybit Card seasonal designs for BBso. So in this instance, we look at your spending behavior, your spending patterns. If you're a traveler, you would see that you get the yacht. If you're a foodie, you like to go out and dine, you're the BBso that is on like the little hot pot there. And then the last one is if you're a shopper, you like to bring your Bybit card to buy Chanel, Dior, or Zara, then you will also get a dedicated shopper kind of theme for your BBso virtual card. So again, creativity has no bounds, whether is it rewards or designs. So this is something that we are working on. And in fact, we're actually about to revamp our physical card. So if there's something that you really like, please also speak to me because I'm trying to put together something cool when we print our new set of physical cards. All right, most importantly, your entitlements. So here you can see that for Australian users, the card that you would get is actually the highest out of all of the programs that we have internationally. So Australian users are getting the highest spending limits versus someone else in other parts of the world. So this is something that is really cool, and that's why you see that our Bybit booth is spotlighting Bybit Card so strongly. So anyone that's an Australian resident can apply for Bybit Card. The types of limits, spending limits that you get daily, per transaction, annually, monthly, are also significantly higher than every other region. So the types of limits here, for example, per daily transaction is 13.5, and then annually is 270,000. So I understand that that might not be sufficient for some of the whales here, but then we're working on increasing the limit, so just bear with us, but this is the highest that we have, and I'm quite sure it's also competitive with the industry average. In terms of cashback programs, so our Australian users also have up to 2 to 10%, depending on your VIP level. So this is something that is just automatically given to you as long as you're a Bybit user and you register for card. The last one is, I've already mentioned this, Spotify, Netflix, all of which 100% rebates as long as you pay a Bybit card. So the rebates will come back to you in the token that you choose, whether is it USDT or BTC equivalent of the value that you're paying for. Okay, more rewards. Welcome offer. So if you are not yet a Bybit card user, these are the simple steps that you can get to just apply for one. So I'll just leave this here for a little bit and explain how to go through the process. So there's a QR code that you can scan. It's quite straightforward. If you're not yet a Bybit user, then you would have to download the app in order for you to get a hold of the card application. Just be mindful that just because you're a Bybit user, it doesn't mean that you automatically get card because it's a separate process. So there's a Part 1 registration for Bybit platform and then Part 2 registration for Bybit card. There is also a welcome offer here. So if you scan this QR code, you'll be able to see that the top banner has the welcome offer, 150 spending, and then 20 USDT airdrop. So what you do with the airdrop is up to you. If you want to keep it, you want to withdraw it, it's also up to you. So these are just some simple rewards that we're doing for all new users. Oh, okay. So I'll do this here. Oh, how do I go back? Thank you. All right, I think that is all that I have to share. Just to wrap things up, I think for Bybit Card, what we have done here has been incredible growth ever since we've started Bybit Card. Our mission in the beginning has been about seamlessness, has been about making sure that it's easy to off-ramp, but where we are now is all about rewards for our users and making sure that we're the best crypto card that you can get. If you're telling me that crypto.com is better, then you need to let me know why they're better and we'll make sure that we're better. So if you have any questions about signing up, please find me. And then if there are any other questions about the product or Bybit's other products as well, I'll be happy to help. All right, thank you.